Meaning of incinerate.
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 Incinerate. The term incinerate refers to the burning of something, often in a controlled manner. When something is incinerated, it is typically subjected to extremely high temperatures until it is completely consumed and reduced to ash or other residue. Incineration can be used as a method of waste disposal, but it can also be used for other purposes such as to destroy hazardous materials or to produce energy. The result of incineration is the complete combustion of the material, leaving behind little to no trace of its original form.